What's up guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm here with another project and a new build for this channel. So for the next build I tried something different. I was looking for a SUV, so I thought, okay, let's look around and see that what I can have in my budget. So I start looking for those ones on Autobid Master. I checked a couple of excellent ones. So one of them I start bidding on it, and luckily I got that one. I was waiting for that, and once the driver told me that he is on its way, it took him way long, and he arrived around 1:30 a.m. in the morning, and then he just dropped the car, and 2 minutes he left. So this car came from Florida, and as you can see, it mainly hit from the front side. Everything else was immaculate, and only I have to change the bumper, hood, maybe the fender and driver side door, but definitely I need the airbags, the driver seat airbag and the side curtain. So that's what I can see right now which this car needs. Otherwise everything else is in good condition. It is in running condition, and the miles on this car is awesome. It's just 4,000 miles. The previous owner just bought it, and after 4,000 miles they just wrecked it. As you can see, the interior is a little bit dirty, but everything else is good. Oh yeah, one more thing, I need the driver side seat also, because the airbag for that blown up also. So in the engine bay, this support rod, this needs to be fixed up. I will try to fix it, otherwise I can just buy another one. Other than that, everything looks good, and luckily it didn't hit the frame. It didn't hit the frame, so frame and this everything is good. Yeah, I will see that what parts I can salvage and what part I can use. It's the next day, and today our main focus is to just wash this car, and then we will just determine that what parts we can take it out, because I am already in process of ordering bumper, grill, headlights, hood, and I think the driver seat. Yeah, I'm in talk with different people, so let's see that when that deal will be done. So today's focus is to perfectly wash this car and make it clean so that we can start the work on it. So now as the car is cleaned up, everything is looking clean. Now I have to take out the driver side seat belt, which is locked up obviously because of the accident, and I have to take out the SRS module, which I will be sending to safety restore, and once they will send me back those two components, I will put them in. So let's start tearing things up and take out those two things. So in order to take out the belt, I have to take out this cap and then this bolt. This is 9x16, and then I have a bolt right here, and then on the upper part it's right here. Okay, so here is the complete assembly out, and so this was right here inside it, so I took it out, and this one was plugged in right here. So in order to take this connector out, this, and if yours this one is connected, then the easiest way is to just put a flathead, a smaller one, right here, so that it will, this black knob will pop up, and once it's pop up like this way, you can just wiggle it, and yeah, this will come out. So now the seat belt is off. Now the second part is SRS module, and I found it that the SRS module is beneath this console. So let's take out this one. Okay, so in order to take out the airbag module, I have to take out this whole center console. So there are screws just like right here, there is one more beneath this one, yeah, right there, two screws right here, one screw right here, here, and then yeah, we have two screws at the back of this this side will come out. Once that side will come out, there are two I think 10mm bolts beneath this one from under this tray, so I will take out that screw, those two nuts, and then this thing will come out. Okay, so once I remove the two bolts, one from here, one from here, one from here, and from here, these two bigger ones, I was able to
lift this up right here like this. So I will try to just lift it like this, and we'll try to remove the module. So this bolt, it gave me hard time to just open up. So 2 bolts from here, here, all these have to come out so that this plate can be removed, and under this plate there is our module. So let's keep digging. These 2 bolts and the 2 which are right there, they need to come out so that this whole plate will, I can lift it up and then I can take out the module. Okay, so here is the module, and there are 3 bolts, one right there, one on the other side, and one on the front. So all these 3 have to be come out, and then there are 3 connectors. So finally this thing is out, and now I will send this to safety restore this and the belt to just reset the module and fix the belt. Once I will come back, then we will put everything back, because right now it's a huge mess right here. So guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you like the content, and for sure we will be just bringing this car to its former glory. So stay tuned, take care, peace.